What's going on, YouTube? So I went ahead and I pulled the trigger and got the 16 Pro Max. There was a great deal here on it. I had a buddy who works at the electronics mall here called Monterey, and for sure the price was great. And I went there, I purchased it, and I actually did the unboxing in the store because I had to change my phone, the 15 Pro Max, to get the 16 Pro Max. So I'm gonna share a little bit of that with you guys right now.
Nuevo iPhone, the SA6 Pro Max. So 16 Pro Max, 256 gigs, trading the iPhone 15 Pro Max. All right, so let's do this unboxing. Going back with natural colors. Mismo. Solo diferente. Este. Okay. Y otro es solo cable and ya.
Okay guys, so after 48 hours of having this phone, it's an iPhone. It's what I expected. I didn't expect anything crazy, like this thing was gonna be super different than what I already had. I already knew that. But I wanted a bigger screen because it's about what, 0.2 inches bigger. The bigger battery. The camera control, I'm really not gonna use that, guys. I may just use it to launch the camera, but everything else is much easier doing it in screen than playing with this camera control button. I don't really care about that. The 4K 120 was another reason why I wanted this, for the slow-mo, the 4K 120. That's pretty cool. And I haven't done that video yet using the Orico external SD, which is another reason why I wanted to get this, so I can record directly to an external drive instead of putting it on the phone. I try to keep the phone as free of crap, so the memory has a lot of memories to keep it running faster, you know. But overall, I would say I'm happy with my purchase. It wasn't like I didn't know what I was getting. You know, I'm in the Apple ecosystem pretty heavy, and I do have some Android phones still, but I prefer Apple. You know, it's not perfect. It's not perfect with the cameras when it comes to photo or when it comes to portrait photo. But video to me is still king on the iPhone, and as a content creator, that's mainly what I do is videos. I'll take the occasional photo, but mainly videos. But a lot of my shorts, probably 80 to 85% of my shorts, come from an iPhone, okay? Even though I'm recording this video on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro using the DJI Mic Minis. I will have a vlog using the Mic Minis on this phone, just so you guys can see. I don't have my gimbal anymore. The DJI gimbal, I gave that away. So it'll just either be handheld or the selfie stick that I'm using right now. The selfie stick, wow. The selfie stick that I'm using right now to record this video. But overall, after 48 hours, I'm happy with what I got. I know what, you know, I've had this iOS system. I've been in this system probably going all the way back till what, the iPhone 3S or whichever iPhone it was. The iPhone 3, the iPhone 5 is the one I'm thinking about with the different colors on the back, or the 4. One of those two, but I go all the way back to the 3. That was my first iPhone, but I already know what to expect. I don't expect any crazy changes. I do like the light feel of this body. It doesn't feel that much heavier than my 15 Pro Max, to be honest with you. But overall, hey, I'm happy with what I got. I got a brand new warranty for another year, and probably a couple months before this one before the warranty goes out. If the 17's on sale, I grab the 17. As a retiree, this is the fun part about being a retiree. As a retiree, you don't give a damn. You know, it's just like being a kid again. As long as you took care of business and handled your finances when you were working and when you were planning your retirement, you can do stuff like this. So I'm just having fun, guys. You know, I don't take this stuff that serious to where I'm trying to give financial advice about this and that. Look, when you work, you earned your retirement, you earned everything that you have, and now that you have extra you can play around with, play around with it. Enjoy your life while you're here. You know, don't take any day for granted. You get the opportunity to do something, do it and enjoy it. All right, guys, that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.